Right away I noticed the highway hi-fi system.
Yes. And I'll go around to the other side.
Right away noticing the highway hi-fi system works.
That works, and that plays records that are 16 2/3 RPM. They're the size of a 45, you can see here, but they turn very slowly, and you'll notice that it has the small hole in the middle. So because that turns so slowly, one side of this record will play for an hour to an hour and a half. When you bought Highway Hi-Fi, that came with a starter set of 6 records. And then there was more records you could buy as aftermarket for a total of, I believe there was 36 records possible. I have most of them, and I even have the leather carrying case that you could buy as an option as well. So that's kind of a cool feature, a record player in 1958. How about that?
We got the interior clock. I'm always a big fan of the interior clocks.
We have a clock. It works. I disconnected the battery for the show here, but it works, and everything works on this car just as it should.
Loving the two-tone red damask interior with the gold inlay as well on the carpeting.
Yeah, the gold flex, kind of Hollywood-esque, I say.
All the fine intricacy here, right here in the dash, just the work, the craftsmanship that went into this.
Isn't it beautiful? Yeah.
Absolutely gorgeous. We have here the push-button transmission.
We like to call it typewriter drive, or somebody said once that's perfect for a left-handed saxophone player.
I'm noticing here there's no park.
There is no park. The push-button transmissions never had a park. You put it in neutral, and then you set the emergency brake or the parking brake, depending on what you want to call it.
Okay.
This car also has a rare option of the sun visors. Those were a factory option, and you notice that they're clear plastic, well, tinted plastic, and pretty hard to find those nowadays.
And well, look at that. The passenger has the mirror, unlike the driver. I'm assuming this is for our lady friends that sit here.
Must be, because guys don't like to look at themselves. We got plenty of ashtrays. Everybody gets an ashtray, you know, back in the day, if I can open it. There we go. But there's one, and there's another one there. And, of course, they're all over the back, and everybody needs an ashtray.
All right, let's go back out here to the outside.